Good day everyone, I'm Sheila May M. Tijano from BSIT 3D. So today I'm going to present our final requirements, which is creating an e-commerce, which is ito yung ginawa naming e-commerce clothing line or clothing shop. So dito gumawa kami ng user dashboard, then for admin dashboard, and both merong web and mobile layout. So first, ito pala yung mood board natin. Yan. And so first, discuss natin yung laman ng user dashboard natin. So unahin natin yung mobile layout. So dito, meron tayong login page, which is magla-login yung users. Then sign up page, kung saan magki-create yung users ng account. So next, meron tayong homepage dito, which is nilalaman ng homepage. Meron tayong orders, coupons, message, bonus, address, payment, and help page. So dito meron tayong mga clothes, yung bibenta natin. Then ito, header or yung promotion. So ito yung clothes natin. So dito naman meron tayong mga navbar for homepage, shop page, live page, notification page, and profile page. So next, dito sa shop page. Yan. So ito yung nilalaman ng shop page, which is yung binebenta mo, which is yung mga clothes or iba pang shop. Then ito naman, meron tayong live page dito. So yan, which is dito pwede kang mag-live for users. Yan. Then dito naman, notification page. Then profile page, which is yung profile ng users. Yan, kung ano yung mga na-purchase mo, payment, tapos yung to ship or to receive ng pinurchase mong items. Yan. Then meron din tayong dito, vouchers, Shopee, and coins. Then log out. So next, ito naman, shop details or yung details ng clothes. Yan. For example, ito. Yan. Details ng items, kung anong klaseng item siya. Yan. Then yung order page, meron tayong all unpaid to ship and ship. Yan. Then meron tayong coupon page dito. Yan, which is magagamit siya ng users para for item maka-discount, ganon. Then message page, then ito bonus page, then address page, kung saan magi-input yung users ng address nila. Yan. Then next natin, payment page. Yan. So meron tayong Shopmaya, add credit or debit, so bank account or shop balance. Yan. Then dito naman sa help page, yan, meron tayong contact seller, edit payment, edit address, or edit account. Yan. Then yung shopping cart natin, which is dito mapupunta yung inad ng users na items. Inad ng users na items sa cart nila. Then ito na yung checkout page natin, which is yung i-check out ng users na item. Yan. So, meron tayong order summary, payment method, then yung checkout. So, try natin yung prototype niya or yung yan. So, yan. Ito yung sign up natin. Then, yung login. Yan. Yan. So, unahin muna natin tong shop page. So, ito yung nilalaman ng shop page natin. Yan. Then, yung orders. Ito. Next natin, coupons page. Yan. Then, message page. Bonus page. Yan. Then, address page. Payment page. Yan, payment page. Then, yung help page natin. Yan. Yan. So, contact seller. Edit payment. Edit address. Then, yung edit account natin. Edit natin yung live page. So, yan. Ito yung live page natin. Naman yung notification page. Add to cart. Then yung profile page. Then shop now. Yan yung shop now natin. Then yung log out button. So next naman natin yung web layout natin. So ganun din, meron tayong login page for users and sign up page then for users. Then homepage. So, ito yung homepage natin. Yan. Then yung men's outfit or yung ito yung page ng pipiliin mong categories, which is meron tayong men's outfit. And ganun din, women's outfit. And ito yung flash deals page natin. Ito yung shop details natin. Ito yung shop details, vouchers page, notification page, then help page, add to cart page, profile page, and yung checkout page natin. So, try natin siyang prototype. Yan. So, ito yung sign up page. So, login tayo. So, yan. Ito yung home page. So, meron tayong categories dito. So, pipili ka lang kung anong gusto mong puntahan na items or yung gusto mong bilhin na items. Ito, may flash sale tayo dito. Then, discover. So, try natin to. Categories for men's outfit. So, yan. Meron tayo dito. Mga items for men's. For men's outfit. Yan. Then, for women's outfit naman, meron tayong mga items dito for women. Yan. Then, ito, yung flash sales natin. Yan. So, pag click natin yung buy, yan. So, ito. Ito yung details. Shop details niya. Yan. So, meron tayong quantity dito. Yung shop. then specification or yung details ng items, then ratings, yung mga rates. Yan. Ito din yung vouchers. Yan, yung mga vouchers tayo. Then yan. Yan. So ito yung add to cart natin, which is yung in-add to cart ng users. Then yung checkout. Yan. Checkout page. So meron tayong payment method, order summary, then yung place or order. Yan. So, ito rin yung profile page natin. Yan. So, ito yung logout natin. Yan. Next naman natin yung users, admin's dashboard natin. So, meron tayong web layout and mobile layout dito. So, ito yung login page ng admin. Then, ito yung makikita sa dashboard ng admin, which is yung total revenue niya, orders, yung total orders, total customers, then yung pending delivery. So, ito yung metrics natin, saan makikita yung sales or gaano kaano yung sales. Ito din yung top selling. Then, meron din tayong mga products dito. So, product types. Yan. Products ID, quantity, then price. Then, meron din tayong stock alerts dito. Then, next natin. Ito, product page. Yan. Meron tayong category. Yung preview. Then, yan. Then, next is order page. Yan. Meron tayong order number, name, product order, quantity, price, total price, delivery destination, delivery method, shipping fee, and delivery status. Yan. Next, meron tayo ding customer page. Yan. Which is yung mga customer na nag-check out. Yan. Then, reports and analytics page. Yan. Then, last, settings page, which is meron tayong profile dito. Then, tax payment or yung orders payment metrics. Next naman natin, next, prototype natin siya. Yan. So, login tayo. Yan. Yan. Stock alerts, products, then yung sales metric, tas yung top selling. So, ito yung total revenue natin, total orders, total customer, then pending delivery. So, sa product naman, ito. Yan. Kung pending siya or complete or cancel yung order or yung items. Yung orders, yan. Yung mga orders. Yung order details nung users. Kung ano yung check out. Then, yung information ng customer. Then, ito yung makikita. Which is yung kung ilan yung pinaid ng customer. Then, next, ito naman, customer page, which is yung order history or yung nakapag-order na. Yan. ito yung reports analytics natin. Yan, product rates, products add to cart, then products checkouts. Yan yung metrics natin. Then settings, which is meron tayong profile. Yan, tax payment, metrics ng tax payment, then yung orders payment. So ito yung logout natin. Yan. Then next naman natin yung mobile. Yan. Ganun din, meron tayong login page, dashboard page, products page, order page, then customer page, report and analytics page, settings and settings page. Yan, so try natin. Yan, so login. Yan. Yan. So dito, meron tayong navbar, which is yung mga icons. So yan, yung sa product page. So ito naman yung order page, orders page, then customers page, then analytics or reports page, then yung settings page, which is meron tayong profile dito, and logout. So that's it for our final requirements, which is our e-commerce. So that's it for my representation for our final requirements, which is e-commerce, our clothing shop. Thank you.